In this video, learn how to use a workflow in Protege to Shepardize cited authority within your uploaded documents so you can validate citations quickly and confidently. Access Protege. Select Workflows, then view the litigation workflows. Scroll through the page or search to find the Shepardize cited authority in User Uploads workflow. Upload your brief, memo, motion, or other document. Protege supports common file types such as Word and PDF. Once uploaded, Protege begins analyzing your document within a private, secure environment. Protege automatically detects and Shepardizes citations throughout your document. Once processed, you'll find a graphic indicating the number of citations in the document and the corresponding Shepard signals. For each authority, you'll find the Shepard signal indicator, such as positive, cautionary, or negative treatment, so you can quickly assess whether your case remains good law. Review the information under each authority or click the link to open the document and full Shepard's report within the Lexis Plus research system. You can easily verify the results within the single streamlined environment. Using Protege to Shepardize cited authority helps you save time by automating citation validation, reduce risk by identifying weakened or overruled cases, strengthen filings with trusted, up-to-date authority, and work more efficiently with one secure platform using private, secure, authoritative legal AI. Contact your Lexis representative to learn more.